Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making bachelor style liver fry on induction. On curry mode, add liver hot and spleen 500 grams. Spleen good for hemoglobin. It is good in vitamin B12 which supports nerve function and energy production, to zinc for immune health and protein for muscle repair. Garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Salt as per taste. Turmeric half tablespoon. Red chilli powder 1 tablespoon. Pepper 2 tablespoon. Mix everything. Don't add water at this point. Close the lid. Cook for 10 minutes. Without adding any water, we will get lot of water. After 10 minutes, now add half cup of water. Mix and cook for another 10 minutes. Now water dissolved. Curd 2 tablespoons. If you add curd at this point, you don't get pungent smell. Oil 2 tablespoons. Mix everything. Cook until dry. Now add coriander on top. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Enjoy with rice or roti. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.